What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about AI text-to-video generation with Blotato, OpenAI, and ChatGPT. I'm going to be showing you how you can get started creating AI text-to-videos today so you can start earning money online. Now, if you've never made money online before and you've never done AI text-to-video, don't worry, you're in the right place. We've been doing AI text-to-video as a company for over a year now, and we get hundreds of leads and views from doing this, and I'm going to show you how to do this with just a couple clicks. Before we dive in, I recommend you get the digital playbook. Link will be in the description, but all you have to do is just go to digitalplaybook.com, put in your information, and you will get taken to our group right here, which not only gives you access to the digital playbook, which I was just showing, but it gives you access to some members only videos, questions, chat. We have direct access to me and a bunch of other really cool stuff. But before we go ahead and get started, as a favor, go ahead and just comment yes below if you'd like me to keep you updated with more AI videos like this, how to get started earning money with AI, and how you can start creating videos with AI. So please just go ahead and leave a comment below. Now let's go ahead and get into the video. So just go to the link in the description where it says Faceless AI Videos, and it will take you to Blotato, where it says this is the AI content engine. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in. You can try this for free. Log in. Once you log in, you'll get taken to a screen that looks like this, where you are able to remix different posts from LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook. This is where you can get some inspiration about what other people are using. Different prompts for, let's say you are wanting to make a post on LinkedIn or Twitter. These have some really good hooks, and this has some really different good hooks and just different titles that you can help inspire you. So there is also a calendar in here where you're able to publish your post directly from Blotato. But the main area that I want to be talking about today is going to be the video portion of this, where you're able to write a script, choose your theme, choose the voice, and also captions. So first thing that you would do is, normally what I do is I just go into the digital playbook and I just copy one of my prompts that I have right here, because I have some specific prompts that I like to use. But what I really like about this is you're able to generate a script directly from in here. So whether you are doing faceless videos, sports, any type of niche, you are able to start from right here. It allows you to pick the topic. You can choose, motivational, horror, whatever you want. It even lets you pick the first sentence, the last sentence, but I go ahead and let that do everything for me. So I'm just going to go with magical horror story. And I think their horror was one of the things. Boom, I'll let it choose 30 seconds, and let's go ahead and generate a script. And just like that, boom, it generates a script. Now I'm going to, is there a horror one? We'll go ahead and go, oh, there is a horror one. So let's go with horror. We'll go with shimmer for the voice. Down here, I have the voiceover. I disable the watermark, and then I'm going to go ahead and enable the captions and generate video. So what it's going to do is, it's not generating the video, it's generating the script, where there's going to be 8 different shots, and each one of those shots is going to have a text to image prompt that then we can generate the video, and that's when it's going to generate each one of the AI generated images for each shot. So I'm about to cut back to when everything is completed. And it is complete now. You can see that this is the prompt that is going to be used to generate the specific image. There is 8 different shots, and then we can generate script. Now with the free version, you do have limited amount of credits, but if you do upgrade, I think I have the $30 a month plan, which is more than enough. You're able to change the different content of the image generated. So you can do image with the zoom. Obviously the animated image and the video clip are the more advanced ones, but since I'm just making this video for demo purposes, I'm just going to stick with the image zoom. So let's go ahead and generate image, and then it says 56 seconds, and I will cut back to when that is complete. So the videos, or the images, are done. Now let's go ahead and export it, and we can watch it and see how this turns out. It is done. Now let's go ahead, and I'm going to play about half of this so we can see what it looks like.
Have you ever felt a chill in the air? One night in a small town, shadows whispered secrets. An old bookshop held a dusty tome, promising magic but hiding something.
So you can see how this is really good, really quick, and you can use these for your short form content. YouTube Shorts channels. And if you do decide to get the paid plan, you're able to make more animated videos. So if you want access to Blotato, just go to the first link in the description. And then also if you want to get access to the digital playbook that has a checklist of how I'm using this method to make money, as far as 130 plus AI tools that you're able to promote. Also, there is some done for you short form videos already in here, some make.com blueprints, and then a library just with some extra resources. You get that at digitalplaybook.com. But that is going to be it for this one, AI Pros, and I will see you in the next one.